Hey guys, this is Suraj Soni and you are watching ChemStar. So friends, once again welcome back on ChemStar. So friends, in today's session I am going to discuss with you a numericals based on solubility product. So in this session we will see how to find out the solubility product of barium sulfate. Along with that, I will also let you know how to write solubility equilibrium and solubility product. So let's start for today's session. So friends, if you like this video, please do like and share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe ChemStar for more such wonderful videos. So let's begin today's session. So friends, as you can see here on the screen, it's written here numericals based on solubility product. Alright, so in this session we are going to see a numerical which is based on solubility product. That means in this numerical we will try to find out the solubility product of barium sulfate. So let's start with the question. So the question is, the solubility of barium sulfate in water is 1.07 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 mole decimeter cube. Estimate its solubility product. So here simply in the question what we have given is, we have given the solubility of barium sulfate in water, which is 1.07 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 mole per decimeter cube. Alright, and we have to find out here solubility product. Alright, so along with the question we have given four options here, option A, B, C and D. So let's solve this question and try to find out which one will be the suitable option of this particular question. Alright, so let's start with the solubility equilibrium. So how we will write this solubility equilibrium of barium sulfate? First of all, we should know how to write the solubility equilibrium for the compound for which we are trying to find out the solubility product. So here we have to find out the solubility product of barium sulfate. So simply we will write the solubility equilibrium for barium sulfate. So barium sulfate always in a, as a compound, always in a solid state. When it will dissociate in water, it will produce barium 2 plus ions and SO4 2 minus ion, that means sulfate ions. Alright, so this is a reversible reaction. Alright, so this we have seen now how to write this solubility equilibrium. So when we will decompose or dissociate the compound in water, that particular reaction will be called as solubility equilibrium. So here is the solubility equilibrium of barium sulfate. Let's see how to write this solubility product of barium sulfate. So here solubility product is always represented by Ksp, and the solubility product of barium sulfate will be the concentration of barium 2 plus ions into the concentration of sulfate 2 minus ions. Alright, that means product of barium sulfate after the dissociation. When we will write in the bracket, that will be called as a solubility product. Alright, so let's see how we can get the answer of this question. So let's take S be the molar solubility of barium sulfate. So here we have to consider the S be the molar solubility of barium sulfate. So what will happen? Ksp, that means solubility product will be equals to S square. Why it is S square? Because here is we have 1 mole of barium 2 plus ions and 1 mole of SO4 2 minus ions. Alright, so when we will take 1s for this and 1s for this, so when 2s will get multiplied, we will get the S square. Alright, so and here S square is nothing but the solubility of the barium sulfate in water. So here what we will do, we will substitute the value of solubility of barium sulfate in water and we will square that, and we will get the answer of this question. So but let's see, but given what we have given solubility, and solubility is represented by the capital letter S. So solubility we have given 1.07 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 molar per decimeter cube. Alright, so here what I have done, we just need to substitute the value of solubility here and we need to square this, so we will get the answer of this question. So as we know friends, we have full we have instruction to use the calculator in the examination, so we can simply by using the calculator we can find out this. All right, so we will get the answer 1.1449 into 10 raised to the power minus 10. All right, so we will figure out this. When we will figure out this, what we will get? 1.145, all right, into 10 raised to the power minus 10. So we have got here the solubility product of barium sulfate as 1.150 into 10 raised to the power minus 10. So let's see in the option what will be the correct suitable option for this particular question. So option A is 1.50 into 10 raised to the power 9. Okay, so 10 raised to the power 9 is perfectly wrong for this particular question because we have got the answer in 10 raised to the power minus 10. All right, so let's see in the option which options have the power minus 10. So option B and option C has the power minus 10. So answer will be out of this option. So option B is 1.50 and option C is 1.45 into 10 raised to the power minus 10. So I think option C is the correct answer for this question because we have got the answer here as 1.1449 into 10 raised to the power minus 10. When we will round figure this, we will get 1.145 into 10 raised to the power minus 10. So this option C will be the correct option for this question. So thank you very much for friends for watching this video till end. Thanks for your precious time. Thanks a lot. Keep watching, keep learning.